In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present using Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for a work presentation, a school project, or simply sharing ideas with friends, Google Slides is a fantastic, user-friendly tool that can help you deliver your message effectively. If you're new to Google Slides or just need a little refresher, you're in the right place. First, let's start by opening Google Slides on your web browser. You can do this by going to slides.google.com. If you're not signed into your Google account, you'll need to log in. Once you're in, you have the option to either create a new presentation from scratch or choose from a variety of templates that Google offers. Templates are a great way to start because they provide a structured layout and design, saving you time and energy. After you've chosen or created your presentation, you can begin creating your slides. Click on the plus button to add a new slide. You'll notice there are various slide designs to choose from on the right-hand side. Pick the one that best suits your content. As you go through, you can insert text by clicking into the text boxes provided. Be sure to keep your text concise and to the point. Too much information can overwhelm your audience. Next, let's talk about adding visuals. To maintain engagement and make your presentation more dynamic, you can insert images, videos, or charts. Simply navigate to the Insert menu at the top of the screen, where you'll find options to upload images from your computer, add images via URL, or even insert videos directly from YouTube. Charts can help illustrate complex data in a more digestible format, and you can customize them by clicking on the chart and selecting Edit. Once your content is all set, it's time to customize the appearance of your slides. Adjust the theme and background to match the tone of your presentation. You can explore different themes by clicking the Theme button on the right. Use the Customize button for more detailed options where you can adjust font sizes, colors, and transitions. With your slides polished and ready to go, practicing your delivery is crucial. Use the Present button at the top right corner of the screen to enter presentation mode. This will allow you to go through your slides as if you're presenting to an audience. It's a great opportunity to rehearse your speaking points and make sure that everything flows logically. Finally, when you're ready to present, you can either present directly from your computer or share your presentation with others through a link. To share, click the Share button, allow permissions, and generate a link that you can send to your audience. And there you have it. You're now equipped to deliver a compelling presentation using Google Slides. With this guide in your toolkit, you can confidently share your ideas and data in a professional and engaging manner. Thanks for tuning in, and happy presenting.